Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Garden. So today I'm coming here to show you a new unboxing video. So before, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and follow us on the Instagram page. So here I have ordered a parcel of plants from Dadaji's farm. So if you can see here, this is an Instagram ID which I found on my Instagram, and this is from Gujarat. So I've seen the Instagram ID entirely, and the plants which I saw here on this Instagram are good in condition and everything. And so I was impressed with the plants that they are showing, that they are shipping and selling. So I thought I should get the plants, and trust me, the plants are in very good condition. And these days I'm ordering so many plants from different online websites and all. So but this is the first online store or Instagram store where I have ordered my plants, which was very nice, and the condition of the plants are very nice. So if you can see here, so I've ordered some 6 plants. I will post you the prices as well on the screen. You can check out the prices as well. The plants which I received was in good condition and in good size. Most of the other sites which are selling the plants are very small. They are literally saplings that they are sending for the prices that they are charging. But here they hardly charged 60 to 70, and some different varieties around 120, 150, that's it. But the size of the plant is good in size, as if you can consider that is not a small plant or not a small sapling. It is a big grown plant that I have received. So you can see the size of those plants also here. I'll show you all individually as well. If you check out the packaging here, packaging is like 100 marks for packaging, I would like to say, because none of the plant have any kind of damage from this parcel I received. So as you know, this Dadaji farm is from Gujarat, so I've received these plants from Gujarat. So I didn't get, not even a single plant have damaged, or single plant have get spoiled in the packaging while transportation and everything. So it was everything, every plant was good in condition and everything. You can check it out. They have used these rubber bands and everything for the packaging. If you check the packaging, they have used this plastic thing, and they have put the cocoa peat and everything, soil and everything. And the plants, I have ordered some 6 plants, I guess 6 to 7 plants. So each and every plant condition was very nice, if you can see here in this video. So these are the plants which I've ordered from Dadaji's farm, and every plant, if you can check here, every plant is in good healthy condition which I received. So it's been almost a week that I've ordered, and after that also the condition is good. So this is it. So hope you all like the video, and if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Collective Gardening.